Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in this video, we will discuss the Warhammer End Times Vermintide error code 30006, which mainly occurs when users try to launch the game to play. The error reads Easy Anti-Cheat Error. Error code 30006, Unexpected Error. Driver Init Error. As per our research, this error particularly occurs when your system security programs interfere with the game, or there are some pending game or driver updates, or there is some issue with the game files. But no matter the cause, we've got solutions. The first step is to reboot your gaming device and your internet connection. Once everything's back up and running, check if the error is still popping up. If it is, move on to the next fix, which is to check for any pending game updates. If an update is available, install it, and then check for the error once more. Should the error persist, it's time to look at your drivers. Outdated drivers are a common cause of error code 30006. Make sure to update your drivers to the latest version available, and then check the game again. Now, if you're a Malwarebytes user, your solution might be a bit different. Some users have reported that this error disappears when they temporarily disable Malwarebytes. If you're using this program, give this a try and see if it helps. Next up, consider the mods you're using. If you're using just one or two, disable them one at a time and check for the error after each. If you're using multiple mods, this process could take a bit longer, but it's worth it to get back in the game. Finally, if none of these steps have resolved your issue, it may be time to reinstall the game. If you think the issue could be server-side, consider waiting a few hours before reinstalling. To reinstall, simply uninstall the game from your device, restart your device, and then reinstall the game. Once the game is reinstalled, check one last time for the error. In summary, error code 30006 can be a frustrating interruption to your Warhammer End Times Vermintide experience, but with these simple steps, restarting your device, checking for game updates, updating your drivers, disabling Malwarebytes or other mods, and as a last resort, reinstalling the game, you can get back to slaying rats in no time. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.